988, find the missing length or area. All right, part A, we are given the area, which means we need to find each length of the square. Now we know that all sides of a square are of equal length. So that means to unsquare the area, we are going to take the square root of 225. So if you don't know that in your head, which this is a larger one, so you probably don't, what you can do is just put it into your calculator. And again, to do that, you're going to hit that square root button or radical sign. That's what this thing is called. And then you're going to put in 225. Now, before you hit enter, make sure you scroll out from under the radical sign. And when you do that, you should get 15 centimeters. So make sure that you label it. Okay, part B. We are given the side lengths of a square. So we see that it is an 11 by 11 square. So you could do 11 times 11, or you could put in 11 squared. It is the same thing. And when you do that, so I'll show here that we're doing 11 squared, or 11 times 11, again, it's the same thing. I'll show that when you do that, it equals 121. Now don't forget your label. It's going to be 121 centimeters squared. And it is important that you include the squared because we found the area this time, not the length. Part C, we need to find the missing length of this rectangle. So we are not given a square this time. We have a clearly visible rectangle. So we have one side that is 5 meters. So it's 5 meters by W. Now W we do not know. So we need to figure out, well, what times 5 would give us 100? Or if you want to work backwards through that, see, I know. I don't think these are difficult numbers to work with. I know that 5 times 20 would give us 100, but if you're not sure, just work backwards and do 100 divided by 5. That's going to give you 20 meters for that missing side length of the rectangle. All right, and finally, we have for part D, a square, and you can see that it is y by y, so that's telling us that all of these side lengths of the square are going to be the same length. So to unsquare our area, we're going to take the square root of 150. Again, to put that in my calculator, I'm hitting that square root symbol or that radical sign. I'm putting in 150, and then I need to scroll out from under the radical sign. So the square root of 150 is going to be approximately, if we round to the nearest hundredth, it is going to be approximately 12 and 25 hundredths. All right, and that's all we need to do for problem 988.